Looking for a vegetarian dish that can actually go toe-to-toe with a steak? You gotta try this. It's National Polyphenol Day, and I'm celebrating with one of my absolute favorites, a bold, smoky, flavor-packed charred radicchio steak. Now, this isn't your average vegetable side dish. Radicchio is loaded with powerful polyphenols and prebiotic fiber. This recipe delivers on every level. So to make this vegetarian favorite, you'll need 2 large radicchio heads, olive oil, iodized sea salt, black pepper, 1 cup full-fat coconut yogurt, the zest of half a lime, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, and 1 cup of mushrooms, 1.5 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, very finely minced or grated, 1 teaspoon lime juice. We'll start with the creamy base. Add your coconut yogurt to a bowl. Drizzle in my polyphenol-rich olive oil. Follow that up with lime zest. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Now you can stir it all together. Then you'll just pop it into the fridge to chill until you're ready to plate. Next, prep the radicchio. Slice your radicchio in half on a cutting board. In a bowl, combine my Chef's Select organic olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then embrace your inner artist and brush generously with the mixture. After that, you'll set it aside. We'll get back to that in a little bit. Now for the walnuts to add a bit of crunch. Drizzle on some of my Chef's Select organic olive oil. Go ahead and add the walnuts to a pan. Then set the heat to medium. Add a pinch of salt and toast until fragrant. 3 to 4 minutes is all you need. Then you can set that aside, transferring to a bowl. Okay, now let's cook the radicchio. Take the pan and set your stove's heat to high. Place the radicchio cut side down and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until deeply charred. You're on the right track if you see brown edges. Flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then set it aside. Now, let's add more flavor with some sauce. Add your pomegranate molasses to a bowl. Pour in some of my Chef's Select organic olive oil. Next, add a little garlic. Finish with the lime juice. Now stir it all together. Then transfer the mixture to a small pan and cook over low heat. You'll want to stir for 1 to 2 minutes until it all comes together, and then set that aside. Next up, let's prepare the mushrooms. First, you'll take your cutting board and chop the mushrooms into tiny pieces. Then you can add the mushrooms to a pan and sprinkle in some sea salt. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes until nicely brown, and then set aside in a small bowl. Okay, now the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to plate. Spread your creamy base into a wide circle. Place the radicchio on top, char side up. Add mushrooms around the radicchio. Drizzle the pomegranate sauce over the top. Sprinkle it with toasted walnuts to add a little crunch. Then drizzle some of my polyphenol-rich olive oil over the dish. Lastly, add a final pinch of salt and enjoy. This charred radicchio steak might just be better than the real thing. So, what recipe should we tackle next? Tell us in the comments below. I'm Dr. Stephen Gundry, offering gut-friendly recipes that don't hold back on flavor. Thanks for watching.